Hey everyone, Cheryl here. Welcome to the Brunch Master. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a creamy, flavorful coconut based egg curry where you can find the perfect blend of spices and goodness of coconut. Here's what you'll need: hard boiled eggs 8 to 9, 2 medium sized potatoes cut into cubes, grated fresh coconut 2 cups, Byadagi chilies 10, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, Coriander seeds 2 tablespoons, Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, Fenugreek seeds 1/4 teaspoon, 2 medium onion sliced, ginger 1 tablespoon, garlic 8 to 10 pods, tamarind a little, black pepper half a teaspoon, 5 cloves and 1 small piece of cinnamon, 1 small sliced onion for tempering, sunflower oil 3 tablespoons, ghee 1 tablespoon, 2 raw eggs, salt as required. Let's dive right in. Take a pressure cooker and add potatoes. Pour required amount of water and salt. Cover and cook for 1 whistle. Take a cooking container and add a little oil. Roast coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, fenugreek seeds, cinnamon, cloves, and saute it for a minute or 2. And transfer everything into a container. Then add little more oil to the same container. Add the chilies. Roast the chilies till they become fluffy. Transfer the chilies to the same masala plate. Pour some more oil to the pan. Add 2 sliced onions and saute them till they get aromatic. Transfer the onion to the plate. Add grated coconut. Garlic, ginger. Saute this for a minute or 2. Add the turmeric powder. Mix everything nicely. Turn off the heat. Add tamarind. Transfer everything to the same plate. Let the spices cool a little. Then take a blender jar and all the roasted ingredients along with the tamarind. Add required amount of water and grind it into a smooth paste. Once everything is ready, pour the remaining oil and the ghee in a cooking container. Add a small sliced onion and saute till translucent. Pour the ground masala paste. Add the water that was cooked with the potatoes. Retain the potatoes. Let's add them later to avoid them from getting mashed. Check if the consistency is proper. As you see, this is too thick. Let's add some more water to it. The texture of the curry should be medium, that is neither runny nor too thick. In 2 eggs. And blend in along with the curry immediately. Please don't skip this process as it deepens the flavor of the curry. Bring the curry to boil. Add the potatoes. Put some cuts on the egg so that the eggs can absorb the flavors. Simmer the curry for 2 to 3 minutes. Check the salt and add if it's required. And there you have it. Your coconut based egg curry is ready. Serve it hot with rice, dosa or appam. Rich, aromatic and absolutely delicious egg curry is one of those soulful dishes. Try it at home and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Let's meet once again with another interesting recipe. Until then, eat healthy, take care. Thank you for watching the video.